What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your favorite auntie TT, back again with another wig review. If you're interested in this wig that I have on currently, I will leave it down in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing a wig from Outre. It is the girl Avery. It's a lace front wig, and I got it in the color DRSMLAV. Let's get right into the video. This wig came with two combs on the sides and an adjustable strap. It also came with an L part.
Little. What else? Okay, that's about it. Overall, I like the wig. I didn't have any tangling. I'd say it's big head friendly. The curls, I like curls, but this is just too much curls for me, so that's the only downfall. Yeah, some of these curls got to go, so I'm gonna figure out a different way to style it, and then if I like how I style it, I may come back and give you guys an update. But I don't like the curls. I love the color, don't like the curls. So that's all I have for this wig. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned next week for another video. And you guys rock. Be safe out there, and God bless y'all. Bye now.